This 2026 KZ Connect Mini 191 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 22 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 5 and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, couples coach, front bedroom, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 KZ Connect Mini 191 BHK is 4,080 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.